Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to connect your Agile CRM with other apps for free? In this video, I'll show you how to integrate it with Google Apps, Mailchimp, and Zapier at no cost. First, for Google Apps, log into your Agile CRM, go to Admin Settings and find Integrations. Look for Google and connect your account. This lets you sync contacts with Google Contacts and add events to Google Calendar automatically. For Mailchimp, Agile CRM has a built-in integration. In the same integration section, find Mailchimp and connect it using your API key. This syncs your contact list so you can run email campaigns based on CRM data. Now, for Zapier, this is the most powerful free option. Go to zapier.com and create a free account. Create a new Zap. Choose Agile CRM as your trigger app, like new contact added. Then, choose your action app. This could be Gmail to send an email, Google Sheets to log data, or Slack to send a notification. Connect your accounts, and Zapier will handle the rest for free. And that's it. With these free integrations, you can automate your marketing, sales, and notifications without any coding. If you set up an integration, let me know which one in the comments. See you in the next one.